Hi everyone, I did some shopping today, so I'm going to share with you guys what I got. I still have a large haul to share with you guys from when I went to Disneyland. I stopped off at Hobby Lobby on the way up there, and then I stopped there on the way home. So I have a bunch of stuff to show you from there. But today I went to the Purple 99, the 99-cent only store. And I went looking for those 3D Disney stickers that I got the last time that were Nightmare Before Christmas, because I had a couple crafty friends say that they would like a set, and I didn't find any of those. But I did find this 100th anniversary little circles. There's 4 sheets in here that are exactly the same, and these were 99 cents. So that was really awesome. Then I found these little creepy critters for 99 cents as well. So they're just little flies that I thought would be really fun just to have in my stash, because I don't think I have any little flies. And then earbuds. My dad, oh gosh. So he loves being on his phone and watching YouTube videos, but he does not watch me. How rude. But I bought him some wireless ones, and he cannot figure out how to connect the Bluetooth to them. And I don't use earbuds, so I don't know how to get it to just automatically sync every time he wants to use it. So he likes these little wire ones, and then he likes these with the little like cushies at the end. So 99 cents. I hope they work. So I'll have to let you guys know if they work. I did want to open it and make sure. Now that I think about it, like, were these the right kind? Or are these just gonna like plug into his phone? I didn't even think about that until right now. Oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, he could just plug these on in. So that was a really good find for $1. So really happy about that. I've been buying them from Five Below for him, and you know, they're $5, but he falls asleep with it, and then he's like, the left side doesn't work anymore. So yeah, I just need to stock up on those. So the other place that I went to was Dollar Tree, and my crafty subby friend Michelle, who sends me the box of smiles and the box of giggles, she sent a gift card in the last box. So basically this video is sponsored by her because I went and I spent the gift card that she sent me. So thank you so much. And I went looking for the new stuff that they had. So I found some of it, but right here on top, I'll show you. So I wanted to make a Halloween gnome, and I had bought this on clearance from Hobby Lobby, but I just don't think it works well together. Like, I feel like this would probably work better for maybe like a Christmas, but I just didn't think it worked well with the green. Or maybe I can use white for the beard and then make it like a Jack Skellington kind of little gnomey. I don't know, but I didn't like the way that looked together. So I'm going to make another one. So I bought this black from Dollar Tree, hoping that that will look better. So I got that in black, and it has like little speckles of gray. And then I did buy a gray one, which I kind of don't like now that I have it together. I found this sticker rope purple. That actually doesn't look too bad, but this is like a rope. This is not soft at all. This is like, you know, people make those little like rainbows out of the rope from Hobby Lobby. That's what this feels like. Oh yeah, see, they call it a cord. What do they call these? Oh yeah, so this is just yarn and this is cord. Okay, so yeah, they had cord there, but I got the purple to see how I liked that. And then I found this darker purple. Oh, I think I like that better. Which combo would you guys do next? Should I do this dark purple or the black, or which one would you do? Or did you even like this together? I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to do a little Nomi Homie out of this, and then I'll do a tutorial on how you put that together. Okay, tons of new items at Dollar Tree. I saw people hauling these, and I thought they were glass iridescent beads, but now that I have them in my hand, I think they're plastic, which was really surprising because on camera, I definitely thought that these were glass. Nope, that's definitely plastic. So these are the new iridescent little beads in a white, a light pink, and a black. And then they had these that look like little, like raindrops. I use these for the bodies of the little angel charms that I've made before in the past for Christmas. So really happy that they come from Dollar Tree now. That's such a good deal. They had silicone beads, but they call them soft beads. So there was this, like, what do you call this? Like marble tie-dye kind of a beads. And then they had just solid colors. I wish there was like a black. There was not one that I personally saw. And then they had a silicone mat for your glue gun. I love that it was in blue. So I grabbed that one because I think this is larger than the other one that I previously had. Because this is, it's 7.5 by 10. So I think this is bigger. These are just repeat buys that I wanted for some sequence mixes. I love putting these in there. So I got those. Let me see. Let me get some of the other new stuff out. Oh, here we go. Paper pads, you guys. They had paper pads at Dollar Tree. Well, they're not paper pads. They're paper packs. So you get 24 sheets of 12 designs. So here's like the first one. This is very like spring colors to me. And there's the little polka dot. Again, giving me spring vibes. And then I feel like this is more like the fall Christmas. So there's the polka dots in that one. And then here is the floral pack. So I think these are great. They are really, really affordable at the $1.25. Let's see. So these aren't thin like computer paper, but they're not thick like cardstock. It maybe be like 65-pound paper. Maybe. Does it say on here? No, it doesn't. But yeah, they're just 12 by 12. Pieces of paper. Where did I pull this one out of? Did I pull it out of this pack? I'm like, hold on. Didn't I pull it out of this pack right here? Am I confused? This is not what this looks like. Okay, so I did pull this one out of here, but this was the cover to it. So, what is going on? I'm so confused. So that's the paper pad that this came in. What does this look like? Oh my gosh, they're all mixed up. Look at that. This goes to this, but they weren't packaged correctly. Yeah, see, this matches this one. And then this one goes with this one. But how weird. You see this yellow right here? This looks like an orange. Wow, that's so weird that they are all switched around. Now I want to see if the polka dot ones are also. Let's see. Well, if you go to your store, open your pack and just double check. Okay, this one's correct. Wow, that was pretty wild there, huh? I don't know if I just happened to get like the one batch that was mixed around or what. Okay, Sunny Boys loves metallic markers and he needed some more, so I got him those. Pop dots, I'm always losing them or using them. So I got the circles and the little squares. Another set of markers for Sunny. There's some more of those beads. Okay, here are some more new beads. These they call polymer clay beads. They look like little silicone beads. There's the pastel pink, purple, white. This one's a little bit more like bright colors. Then there was black and white. There was a set of blue. That was a black one. That was a repeat one. Oh, let's see. There was like, I don't know. I called it like military green. That's what it made me think of. Like, you know, like the military people that wear their little camouflage. That's what that made me think of. So there's those. And then there's this pack right here with this like pink, peachy color, white, and then this like weird brown color. So there's those. And then there were these new little clippies. They are called stitch markers. But I've used these before when I send out little samples of ribbon. I will put this through the ribbon to kind of hold it together to, you know, like paper or whatever I'm attaching it to. So I thought these were really cute. So these are perfect for like Halloween because you got the orange and then there's red and green in there that you can use for Christmas. There's a dark blue. Then over here is like the pastel. So you got a yellow, a green, a blue, and a pink. So I thought those were pretty awesome. So yeah, that is all my new finds that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I've seen other people find cross stitch, diamond dots, jewelry tools. I definitely need those jewelry tools. What else? I think that's it that I've seen people hauling that's new. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you later. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye, guys.